much, and myself, Tharindu Lakshan, from Department of Plant, Food, and Environmental Sciences from Dalhousie Agriculture Campus. Today, I'm going to give you like a brief, like introduction of what am I doing in my research. So, to begin with, I think you might know that cancer is the second most leading causes of death worldwide. And when we consider about the cancers, lung cancer accounts for 24% of the world cancer deaths in 2019. And when it comes to Canada, it's even worse. And deaths due to lung cancers accounts for like more than 26% during last year. Also, the cancer deaths have bypassed that of heart diseases in Canada. So, what do you think? What will be the effective way to prevent or manage cancer, especially lung cancer? Do you think therapeutic approaches such as surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation therapy are the most effective? If you get cancer, of course, yes. You must go for therapeutic approaches. Then, how about prevention? Correct lifestyle and diet are the most efficient ways to prevent many cancers. So, what do you think about that? Most of the fruits and vegetables contain dietary phytochemicals that have the potential to prevent cancer by reducing DNA damage in cells upon exposure to carcinogens. If DNA is damaged and not repaired, those cells could accumulate more mutations, and once these mutations get stable, they could convert to a cancer-initiated cell. Therefore, the consumption of fruits and vegetables will reduce the risk of lung cancer by different cellular mechanisms that are preventing DNA damage. So, it is important to focus on dietary approaches that may reduce or prevent DNA damage in cells to reduce cancer initiation. When it comes to fruits and vegetables, apple is the leading fruit crop consumed worldwide, including in Canada. Apple contains a unique group of phytochemicals called flavonoids, and apples are rich in flavonoids such as quercetin glycosides, epicatechin, chlorexin, as well as certain phenolic acids such as chlorogenic acid and caffeic acid. These compounds present in apples are known to having anti-cancerous properties in numerous studies. You all have heard the saying, an apple a day can keep you away from the doctor. So my research is focusing on the question that can an apple a day prevent the cancer initiation? So far, I have evaluated the effect of a flavonoid mixture derived from northern spy apple cultivar and its major flavonoids to reduce the level of DNA damage in cultured human bronchial epithelial cells. In my study, we used these lung cells pre-incubated with apple flavonoids and then introduced a carcinogen chemical present in cigarette smoke to induce DNA damage. Then we evaluated the level of carcinogen-induced DNA damage using various molecular techniques. The results of my study showed that the tested apple flavonoids mixture and its major constituent quercetin can reduce the DNA damage induced by carcinogen. Also, from this preliminary study, we can interpret that consumption of apples rich in flavonoids may have the potential to protect you from initiation of some cancers due to exposure of different carcinogenic chemicals that we expose daily basis. However, there are many more details that I would like to understand. Is the cultivar of apples matters to the prevention of DNA damage? How much of flavonoids or apples should be consumed per day for the efficacy? And future research will be designed to validate the findings using a preclinical animal study. And in future, we may be able to recommend apple cultivars with superior anti-cancer properties to consume as a dietary strategy to reduce the risk of cancer. So having said that, an apple a day may keep us away from the cancer doctor who treats lung cancer. I would like to conclude my brief introduction about my research, and thank you very much.